Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a quick video on saving. And the reason why I jumped on today, first of all, you're never gonna believe how I even brought this stuff down here. Instead of me grabbing two and going back up for the other one, I had to have this in the corner of my arm, this one right here, this one, grabbing the phone chart, the phone holder. I literally dropped everything almost on the stairs. I mean, I got an indentation in my finger. It was crazy. I was just visioning change broken everywhere. That wouldn't have been good. Okay. All right. So you guys know I love finance. I love budgeting. I love anything to do with money. And I think because when I was growing up, nobody taught me anything about money. I had to learn on my own. I was absolutely terrible. I acquired so much debt and it took me a couple times to learn. I just didn't value money the way that I should have. And so I came in love with money and budgeting and stuff like that. So, and I'm going to tell you, I learned all of this from the Budget Mom. She inspired me. So when I first started doing all this, I was watching her videos. I was learning. I started doing the cash. I didn't even know what cash envelopes were. I didn't know what sinking funds were. I learned everything from her. I watched all her videos. And so we're talking a long time ago when she lived in her apartment. And so anyways, this is before she even, had her planners. So her new planner business, she would sell different, cash, saving challenges and things like that. So I actually, followed her. She was really my inspiration and I was intrigued. So moving forward, by the way, I just found out that she's coming out with a book. Okay, a book in February. You can order it on Amazon. It's actually in my Amazon storefront, which if you go to my Amazon bio, you will see it. So I just want to say that these two coin jars are from Amazon. They are in my bio. This is exactly what I purchased. This I bought at a Goodwill. I had a wicker, what is it called? Rattan. It was over it, but then it started breaking, so I took it off. So, but you can find anything. You can use a mason jar. You can go to the Goodwill. And then there's this. And this is what I want to talk about. Actually, everything. The first thing is I save all of my change, everything. So this here adds it up. So if you take a look right now, oh God, it's going to make me look like a liar. Sure is. Battery's dead. The last time I checked on this, there was $130. Sometimes it just takes me a few minutes to use my brain. Hold on a second. Let's grab some change. It's not going to tell you unless you put something in. Sometimes, I've been working all day, so what do you expect? All right, so there is a $112. There's $112 there. The last time this filled up, I took it to the bank and then I just deposited the money. So this one has 111. I decided to get another one. And so I usually put, hey, what's going on? Oh, wow. The battery's dead. Oh, you know what? It's probably loose. Anyways, that's fine. It's probably last time I deposited the money. So this time I still use this. I fill it up. I fill the change jars. And when I'm ready, I will go to the bank. This here, like I said, I got this a long time ago from the Goodwill. And I put my changes in here. And that's just because, maybe I'm lazy and I didn't want to bend down. So I just use this for my dollar bills, my fives, whatever, and change. And then I was sticking it in here. So the main thing I wanted to jump on today was I found this. I thought this would be really good for you guys because, and myself. Oh my God. Think about this. You can't get in this unless you break it. You can't get it. You can't be oh, let me just get $5 because I want to go to McDonald's. I'm just craving a Big Mac. No, girl, you got to break it. So I want this. because this I'm going to be starting as of January. I want to start this. I want to use this for change. Not so much change. I will fill the rest up with change, but I really want to use this for my dollar bills and my fives. So I'm going to stuff this. So I want to take a look back at this video. Today is December 21st, 2021. And I want to look back, or like, you know, moving forward in a year. I want to look back at this video and I want to be able to break this on let's do a video, break it and count everything that's inside of it. So we can stuff this baby. This is going to be stuffed for the full year and then we're going to count it. But anyways, the moral of my story is, even if you save dollars or you save $5 here and there, it works, guys. It really does. You don't have to make a lot of money. You don't have to, you know, have some fancy job. You just have to just save your change, save your dollar bills. You know, maybe you have like $6 bills, you know, save half, put the other half in your wallet, like whatever works for you, but just try to save your dollars and your $5 because it's really easy to do. And let me tell you, I'm the type of person, I barely have money. I barely have like cash on me. I just have my cash envelopes. I have my cash envelopes. I have like anything that I get change from, like I have change in my coat pocket and I kept on like touching it. And I'm like, oh, I gotta take that out and put it away. So I just, you know, if I have it, I have it. I'm not going to kill myself thinking about it. I'm not going to stress myself out. If I have it, I will put it in. If I have like a $5 ones, whatever, I try to just set it aside because, you know, when I add everything up, it's going to benefit later on. So that is what I wanted to share with you. And so this jar, I purchased from Amazon. As you can see, and I like it because it's acrylic. So it really is you know, it matches nicely versus, you know, maybe like one of these. I think this might, you know, match nicely on someone's desk or in someone's office. So that is why I did the video today. Like I said, this is not going to be a big video. I just want to talk about finances. I also have a spreadsheet that I created, a budget spreadsheet, kind of like was looking up spreadsheets, looking at what I would do. And I was like, oh, this is pretty much just like the inserts that we use. And so my thought process on this is to try to be a little bit more minimal. And what I mean by that is I'm a paper and pen girl to begin with. But because there's iPads out there, because we have laptops, we have so much access to our phones, there are like a lot of things that we can do online. So I want to try to make my life easier. So I want to try to incorporate that in my budgeting. So like when I budget, I'll sit down, open up my laptop, open up the spreadsheet, input some numbers. I can figure out what I'm saving, transfer the money, and do what I need to do. And that's what I want to do. I still want to use the inserts, you know, to have that stuff on paper, but I just want to minimize my life, I guess. And having inserts and having it on paper is totally fine. Just try to do something that, you know, can work for you. Do something that is going to work for you. Do something that you can stick by. Do something that you're going to do every pay period consistently. You get paid. What are some of the steps that you take when you get paid? When I get paid, the first thing I need to do is budget my money. If I don't budget my money, I can't touch any money in my account. And that has happened to me quite a few times. So, and I always have cash envelopes. It's not like I need the money in my bank because I have cash envelopes. That's what cash envelopes are for. They're for your expenses, your variable expenses, and that's why you save a certain portion. Sinking funds are something different. We'll talk about that later. But that's why I'm trying to say is that the first thing, you have to have a plan when you get paid, right? So you get paid and, you know, what are some of the steps that you do? So what I want to do is incorporate the spreadsheet. Sit down, you open up the spreadsheet, I input the numbers, I have my planner with me, I can jot down the numbers as well. I can check off some of the bills that I'm paying. Of course, I don't have my planner here, but that is the overall, like what I'm trying to get at, just so it's easy. And so I just wanted to share that with you guys. So I'm hoping I'm new to all this, so I'm hoping that I could upload it to my website. I'm really excited because I'm just trying to I'm trying to create stuff that's like finance related, that's like budget related, and that can help people. That's the ultimate goal. It's to help people succeed, because I'm trying to do the same thing. So whatever I do, if I can share it with you and it works, then that's what I want to do. So anyways, if you're interested, head on over to my Instagram bio, go to the Amazon store, and under money is where you'll find all of these except this one. Okay, if you have any questions, as always, say hello, ask me a question, leave it in the comments. I love interacting with my followers. It's very important to me to do that. So I hope you guys all have a wonderful evening and a beautiful Christmas if I don't talk to you guys then. Bye.